What's up, Zarrella? Deal of the week, man. Welcome. Thanks for joining. We are talking
Seth Glasser, what's going on? I'm excited to do this. We have some fun real estate to talk about.
totally, dude. Manhattan Beach Estates, waterfront property, New York City. What is this, and why would somebody buy it? Why would somebody not buy it?
I'll walk through some of the reasons why certain buyers may not want to jump all over this on the back end, but the banner here is you have 228 units that are directly on the boardwalk, directly on the beach, deep down into Brooklyn, but still very much Brooklyn. Brighton Beach as a neighborhood, which is where this package is located, just simply hasn't had its day yet. I would say collectively with Coney Island, which is directly adjacent and essentially the other end of the boardwalk. This section, at least in my view, has more upside to grow into than you're going to find anywhere else in the borough. I mean, what's held it back up until now, I would say, is the proximity to Manhattan. I mean, if you look at a map, it does look far.
Yeah,
But
you're so far, but you're literally on the water. There's probably some really cool, like funky neighborhood type of features here, right? That are really unique. It's New York City, and you're on a beach, right?
yeah, they're coming. I mean, and also just, in terms of transportation, just a very short walk away, you have the Q train that like flies express to the Barclays in like 15-ish minutes. And from there, you probably have a direct shot to wherever else you're looking to go. And there's also talks of a potential additional ferry line that would direct connect Brighton to Coney, Bay Ridge to Wall Street, which if that happens, even better. What makes the area finally blow up? So a very smart person capitalizes on the fact that you have absolutely no real party life down here and opens up a bounce or common ground anywhere along the 2+ mile stretch of available boardwalk space. And you pair that with the infrastructure of the amusement park that is already over in Coney Island. And all of a sudden, Brooklyn has its very own Montauk, bringing in a ton of money to all the buildings and businesses that are around here. So that will eventually happen. It's just a matter of when.
Okay, got it. But you got 228 units. There's some parking. We're asking 6.8 times the rent roll. So this is going to sell for 6 something times the rent roll. A bunch of free market apartments here, renovated, beautiful buildings, right? These guys paid 40 something million for this a handful of years ago, and they're going to sell this in the next, 30 days.
Yeah, the seller's selling because it's at the end of a 10-year fund. So this is definitely transacting. They paid 47 and a quarter, like 9.5 years ago, and it's going to be obviously a fall, deep fall
Right.
off of that with where it's going to trade. Timing's ASAP. It's going to land somewhere in like the mid 6s times the rent roll, which just market wide and all the boroughs I think is very competitive. You will, whoever buys this will make money here. It's underwritten at, I think, an expense ratio of like 56%, which I know you could appreciate because you typically lean heavy on that stuff too. The numbers are accurate, and it's the yield on the cap rate's going to be above borrowing costs, so you're going to go in making money.
Someone's going to buy it, baby. Good job. Someone's going to buy it, and you're going to open up a club down there.
I potentially will. Seth, it's been a pleasure. Quickly for all the listeners, don't be shy. If this is at all tempting, which it should be for anyone who actually has money, give me a call, ask the hard questions, full transparency. You will want to tour them. We will walk them, and we will go to the beach afterwards for a couple of minutes. So you could stand there and feel it for yourself what I'm talking about.
All right, good stuff, dude. Thank you.